Hi student, today we are solving a nice German Olympiad math problem. In this problem, x plus y is equal to 6 and xy is equal to 36. Now we are solving this solution step by step. First we take this into equation number 1, this into equation number 2. So now 1, this will be equation 1. First we are solving equation 1, x plus y is equal to 6. This will be y moved into this side. Y is equal to 6 minus x is equal to, this is equation number 3. So in next we are solving xy into 36 to equation 2. And this will be xy is equal to 36. This into x into 6 minus x is equal to 36. So now 6x minus x square is equal to 36, and this will be minus x square plus 6x minus 36 is equal to 0. So the next step, x square minus 6x plus 36 is equal to 0. In this, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 6, and c is equal to 36. Now we are using formula in here. X is equal to b minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2 into a. Now we're putting these value in this equation. After putting these, we get x is equal to minus into minus 6 plus minus, remember that our b is minus 6, minus 6 into square minus 4 into 1 into 36. Now this divided by 2 into a. 2 into our a is 1. So in next we solve this. X is equal to minus into minus plus 6 plus minus 6 square is 36 minus 4 into 1 4 into 36 is equal to 144. So divided by 2. Next, x is equal to 6 plus minus 144 minus 36. This is 128. Value is minus 108 divided by 2. So x is equal to 6 plus minus 36 into 3 into minus 1. This divided by 2. We get this value after LCM of this. We need LCM of this in this step, and we take LCM, and we get the value of LCM is 36 into 3 into minus 1. So as we noted, iota is equal to under root of minus 1. This will be under root of 36, under root of 3 into under root of minus 1, and this will be under root of plus minus under root of 36 is also 6 into under root of 3 into iota. That is equal to divided by 2, and that's equal to 6 divided by 2 plus minus 6 into 3 iota divided by 2. X is equal to 3 into plus minus 3 into 3 iota. Now we check our equation number 3. Y is equal to 6 minus x. In this step, now we are solving our equation number 3. Our equation 3 is y is equal to 6 minus x. This is our equation number 3. Now solving this, y is equal to 6 minus x, and in this x is equal to 3 plus 3 into under root 3 iota, and this x is equal to 3 minus 3 under root 3 iota. Now we check this value. Y is equal to 6 minus 3 plus 3 into 3 iota. This is our value of x, and this will be y is equal to 6 minus 3 minus 3 into under root 3 iota. Now solving this, y is equal to 6 minus 3 minus 3 into 3 iota, and this will be y is equal to 6 minus 3 plus 3 into 3 iota. So in next step, this will be 3 minus 3 is also 3. Y is equal to 3 minus 3 into 3 iota. Y is equal to 3 plus 3 into 3 iota. Now our value of x and y is here. This is our y, this is our y. Now we write our values combine. X and y is equal to 3 plus 3 into 3 iota, 3 minus 3 into 3 iota. This is our first value of x and y, and this is our second of x and y. That is, x is 3 minus 3 into under root 3 iota, and our y is 3 plus 3 into under root 3 iota. Now Our question is x plus y is equal to 6, xy is equal to 36. X plus y is equal to 6. First we verify this. X plus y is equal to 6. And this will be 3 plus 3 into 3 iota plus 3 minus 3 into under root 3 iota is equal to 6. This 6, we get this cut by this. Remain 3 plus 3 and 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. And this will be 3 plus 3 into 3 iota, 3 minus 3 into 3 iota. That is equal to 3 into 3, 3 square. That is equal to 3 square. 3 square into 3 into under root 3 iota whole square. And this into that is equal to 3 square into this, that is equal to 36. Now our answer is verified.